My name is Karen. I live in Chino Hills, and Dave and his crew came out and redid our kitchen, our office space, and our fireplace. And we just love each area in our home. All three of them are so creative, laid out in an awesome design. The guys that have worked on it, the cabinet guys, the tile guys, the granite guys, each one of them is just so professional in what they do. Each one is an artisan, and I just got all this great comfort because I knew the job was being done in an excellent way, and just gave my house the wow factor, which I just love. People come to my home and they're just excited about the changes in my home, and they're unique to other kitchens. I would highly recommend them to anybody.